As I share this news, I anticipate a mix of criticism and appreciation. However, this is not about taking sides. It's about recognizing the reality of the dog menace. It's a frightening reality that's unfolding. Even a dog lover or pet parent could be the next victim. The Honorable Supreme Court verdict has sparked an online debate, underscoring the gravity of the situation. But before you jump to conclusions, can we please do a fact check? Think and answer, please. Do you really think a street dog cannot attack someone from their lane, or worse, an outsider caught unaware? Do they not pose a threat even when trained? And how about the reaction time of children and senior citizens that further puts them at a greater risk? How gladly do we bring in a pet many a time through artificial breeding instead of adopting a stray? The protest should be against the artificial breeding of fancy pedigree, not against the direction where dogs aren't harmed but preventive measures are taken. Please see, the majority of us have no problem with dogs. If I may say so, they are really cute. They deserve a life of their own and on their own in case of the stray. Many of us might even consider keeping one at home, but since there is none at home to take care of them while we are at work, some of us don't. Absolutely no denying dogs are living beings and have every right to move around wherever they want. However, when their movements restrict a child's, a senior citizen's, or even an adult's movement, it will lead to a movement, a judgment. कुत्तों का आतंक है. Don't negate it. And even if you try to pacify them, they will attack you. You feed them and they become your friends. But there could be strangers passing by the same street too. Despite over-increasing bites, deaths due to mauling, rabies cases, and their terror in their territory, we raise objections. How dare you suggest dog menace? Ladies and gentlemen, this is serious. You cannot ignore it and appeal to all dog owners or dog lovers. Adopt a stray. Bring them into your home and make a difference. This is not a plea to hate dogs, but a call to address the issue of stray dogs through responsible pet ownership. Let me reiterate, nobody hates them. They have every right to live like a cat, like a cow, buffalo, like all of them. We have gaushalas to take care of the cattle there. Likewise, suggesting dog shelters is not a crime. It's a viable solution. Do not turn a blind eye to dog menace. Address it. Help the government instead to find a relatively peaceful and purposeful solution. Please.